yóbbu mbaal yooyu géej léegi soo demee bato yi dagg ko yaa ngi dégg léegi bato yi suñ ko daggee soo ñëwee doo si am benn ndimbal sonn nañ bato yi moom sonn nañ ñu lool si géej gi.
Industrial vessels start fishing at 7 nautical miles. But since 2008, with the coming in of the new Fisheries Act and Regulation in 2009, we extended it to 9 nautical miles. And anytime they have an incident like that, if they have the particulars of the boat, of course we have observers there. If they report it to us, mostly they are compensated. If you ask them where was your net caught, they will never tell you it is caught from the 1 nautical mile to the 9 nautical mile. It must be after, at the place where the industrial also are allowed to fish. But we always advise them to have to have buoys or whatever. Now you have these lamps, which you can always put at your net. Anytime a vessel is coming, it can hold that there's a net at this place.
Fish processors and traders often complain about the unavailability of markets. This is mainly due to the absence of reliable market information. Operators therefore store their products for lengthy periods. The artisanal fisheries can be considered as one of the most important pillars for poverty alleviation in the Gambia.
Follow. Ninat, ba sa infelen be kandolo. Be galaso sana katabak ngalaka kura kana tinya. Nga galaso kaka okola na wafu. Sani ba wafu kandolo bije kala finya na ko fana. Yasi dole bije saburu ma samba ya tabiyo nyam. Ko satara bete yare. Ko inye so manda anta tabat. Nga nyesa. Andi han sabeda ma ko rakirin. Kanyel minisi. Do bije isani nduranta. Do bije sa ke soso. Do bije ni wa firla mi kana sosi wa fala te dol fana kasin. Sa ke mburol ko. Dol bije sa ke no goron subtile ya fenki comme ya koton. Ena be goron sub. Ko be wa ni wa firla fante maga.
Ni mbonna bato nga ñew samana so e ga galaso sanne kulal be mulle e se ñew ke dami pour ñi gaba siol kana malo ñaan e bi fa ni na fa ñew topoto ni galaso man si ñew la itawa fi no la diate ñami ba ne galaso sota ñama atra ko fisiri be tamala ñama ne galaso soto e si la ñew topoto la atra man ti ñame bul ni na fa na feji senema ñini na re ka ñew siide feji senema ñini ye ñew ku ni ya woto fana fo ya ku jiole jomalo ga sene la arata mo toranole isi ji senema tanole e ka sene ñew toujours sioto karalala so e be jio kilala jemi toujours ala bete aka kafunya ji suma mais ni ji kando kaldo aka ñeti ñal.
With the current call by His Excellency the President and the assistance he was going to provide for the youths, especially the male folk, I think some of the challenges will be overcome. All these projects, Japanese, EU, there have been fishermen training programs. We have trained people, gave them fishing materials and everything. Some of those people are still in those villages. So there could be potential trainers for the program which is proposed by His Excellency the President.
I would want to encourage government and the young men to get together and make it a very viable industry. Let them venture into it. I mean, if you can go to the farms and do farming for groundnut, farming for rice, farming for that, sure you should be able to go to the sea and farm for fish.
As being part of this research, we are able to understand that ancient Africa had well-established economic institutions before the introduction of modern technology in fishing. Therefore, coastal fishing towns and villages in Kombo became major attraction to the incoming population.
From this documentary research, we are able to understand that the fisheries sector is a vibrant economic industry that have attracted the effective participation of women in the Gambia. Therefore, the intervention made by government should gear towards alleviating constraints that are faced by women folks in the fisheries sector.
Gambia is baadiŋolu ayodin borilete men ya lonko abe fennule kono hadamadiŋo jaato solata menna a kañandiŋo pour nsenna kuolu keno a ñaama nin moolu be sirin dinkiral to dame ya lonko ila domoro abuka ayodin soton woto ase keno ye mantorolu soto men ya lonko ase keno jankarolti men se batandi bake sako musu konomalu sako nibe jidila anin dindingulu ase keno imari ibe jidila ibe dingo men wulula ay munta dindingu nyi si ello soto nole walla ay lanjuro soto ako nga sarto soto le membe laring pour nibe ko kumandi la julaya safaro la karola kadundi nyim banko kan anin ni ba fintindi la nyim banko kan wo sarto be larinde wo kammala nin do ko nin bundal be do ko kala meno keta man sakundari la bundati andum kananyina nyinna ko bundalu meno ko UNICEF ministre bunda be mata julaya la aninna duanyi bunda nyin nyim musartol tika jako ko woko nabe dunna nyim banko kan ko domota anyanta ayodin soton nale andum ko woko nabe dadala Gambia jam fanan anyanta ayodin soton nale nana do ko bunda membe maralin domori sahari ngoni domori barkaru la nyim banko kan inata jele ko domori ko nabe dunna Gambia anyanta ayodin soton nale woto alifalu nata wuli tata taman wala ka jerke e fayye e nimbundalu men bulo be dendin kuñañil na andu wo yefutandi le fo Dakar Sénégal ko bunda me ba fly LMC anin kaje ko ñin domori fengolu men yalon ko bunda me marta ñin domori fengol la ifuta tawlu betole anin men ka ko dadake itata kumba boro la fanan dinkiral to damen ko ka kafu ñoma je ako ye jerike e fayye ika ayodin ke koto je nyamin andum na murud atanan a nyama wo dalilo le ya sabu pour nyin kibaro nyanta janjannale pour be ya long andu o kibar janjando ate folan na duwanyi bunda koma anin alifalu men be do kolan na Gambia la namu kanim bundala pour nyin kammala isi makoy roke nin ko woko be dun na nyin Gambia banko kan namang ayodin soto ye nyin sembo soto le pour ko muta akana dum banko kan pour nyin kammala ko men be dun na banko kan asi ayodin soto molube ko men do mala keme o keme si dula tankononto abesi ayodin soto ni ajibe ministre bunda men marta julayal nin tundo kunyalla men kata masakundari ngolti anin do ku kolla wolu aketa silanyi mati pour inin nana ye do koke ibe kidimandiro ni lankene mo men ke kan pour ka ayodin ke koto sayin kabu julaya safaro la jero karola man sakunda nata sarto londi me ye nyinke ku soto ngoti ka ke kulori ngoti ko membe dunna banko kam bang ko membe dala banko kanjam bang abe nyanta ayodin soto nale woto sila luwa balanta lale pour ka kolu tamandi julaya la karola nyim banko kan ka ko julaya memman ayodin soto sayin luwa balanta lale julaya safaro la karola kabrim banku nen banku tema bundal nyin jetale a lonta fanan ko kataku na nyanta kela membe kela hadama dinglu tanka rangoti sako jata kende ala karola woto o nata ke luwaleti anin sarto pour julolu ningo sartol ningo luwayeta nyola woto ko directo mem marata domori kenderi ngola anin domori beto la nyim banko kan